Hey guys, Andrew here for NextRiff, and today we have the Oppo Reno Ace. It's not just a regular model, it's the Mobile Suit Gundam Special Edition Ace, and it's quite a sweet looking device. And we're going to take a quick look at what you get with this device. For starters, you get a very sleek design on the back right here. We have a red accent with the Oppo logo. There's a small tiny little Gundam head at the bottom. And you got this Earth Federation Space Force written on the right side of the camera lens. Overall, I really quite like the design here. Besides that, the back also has a nice frosted glass-like finish, so it doesn't capture fingerprints that much, and it's very nice to the touch. On the front of the phone, it's pretty much identical to the regular model, but you do get a special Gundam theme. So the icons are different, the wallpaper is different, and it does play well with the whole Gundam theme that comes with this phone. Also bundled with this special edition phone is this pretty sweet looking case as well. It's a model after the Gundam shield. There's a nice soft finish in the inside of the case, and the whole case is actually a rubberized texture, and you will get a good grip on this phone with this casing on. Beside the casing, there is also a theme going on with the charger and cable. It's the same red, yellow and white color scheme, and the charger is also white and orange. And then finally, what's also bundled with this phone is this nice little shield thing, like a token that you can just pop out, and here it is. It's very nice, and it also has quite a heft to it, which I really quite like. As for the phone itself, it's a high-end flagship smartphone. It has a fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, a 6.5-inch 1080p AMOLED display with a fast 90Hz refresh rate, as well as 256GB of storage. What's also particularly impressive about this phone is its charging rate. It comes with a rather generous 4000 mAh battery that can be charged within 30 minutes. That's right, only 30 minutes, and it's courtesy of Oppo's proprietary SuperVOOC charger. Last but certainly not least is the camera system of this device. It has a quad camera system made out of a 48MP primary shooter, a 13MP telephoto lens that can do 5x hybrid zoom, an 8MP ultra wide angle sensor, and a 2MP monochrome lens. At the moment, we don't know yet if the Gundam Edition Oppo Reno Ace is coming to Malaysia, although we did get this particular unit from Oppo Malaysia itself. With that in mind, there is a good chance the device or even this special edition is coming to our shores, although this is only an educated guess at this point in time. Anyway, for the Chinese market, this particular device retails at 3,599 Chinese yuan, which is about 2,100 ringgit here. So if it does come here at this price point, we reckon it will be a very hot selling item. So that is our quick look at the Oppo Reno Ace Mobile Suit Gundam Special Edition. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here at NextRiff.